with an optical illusion infinity box. So it looks like it's going to be a box, but then it just keeps going like an infinity sign, but it keeps going. So to start, you're going to make a line on top, a diagonal line, a line down, a diagonal line, line across, and a line down, and make sure it connects. And then you're going to start from this area here and bring it almost all the way up. And the same thing on the other side, this area here, almost all the way down. And then here to almost all the way over. And the same thing on the bottom, almost all the way over. I'm going to line down almost all the way over. And the same side on the going up almost all the way over. And then we're going to connect the square there. And then we're going to add 2 diagonal lines here and here to make it look like it's 3D. Do you guys want to show yours? It took me quite a few tries to make it quite right. So if you want to practice, you can practice. Hey, Megan's got it.
I really trusted myself and just went forward in pen.
Nice.
I did it too.
We're just gonna go. This is in my notebook too, so I'm gonna turn this into a teaching. Like, Annika, what were you doing? This is important. Chill out.
Perfect. So this next one, you might want a little more space. You're going to draw a square. You're going to draw a diagonal line, corner to corner. And get on the other side, corner to corner. Top to bottom, and side to side. Ooh. When you finish that, you're going to go into one of the triangles. You're going to make a curve up, curve up, curve up. So you're going to have 3 curves. If your square's a lot bigger, you can have more than 3 curves. Now on this triangle next to it, right where you stopped this curve, you're going to do a curve the opposite way. You're going to keep doing that and switching which direction it goes. So this one went down, and now this one, the curves are going to go up. You're going to connect at the same spot where you ended the last one. spider web.
Oh, cool.
And once you got that part, you're going to choose one of the triangles and you're going to color in every other shape. I know I did it this way, but if you do it from side to side, it'll make it look the best. And then you're going to go on the next one and you're going to do the opposite ones. So I did these two here, and now I'm going to do the opposite ones here, making the pencil go side to side again, keeping with the art shape. And then you're going to keep going all the way around in each triangle, you're alternating which, so you're switching back and forth between which shapes you're coloring in. Did you finish yours, Abby? Yeah. I like this one because it looks like these parts here are like 3D and popping in the middle. Very cool. I like to do this one with 2 different colors alternating. And this is one that I really like to do on like my notebook when I was in class, like doodling, because it's like mindless and you can just go back and forth. But doing it with colors is really fun. You can make them really big. All right. I've got another one. This one's kind of similar, but it's a little more freestyle. So you're gonna draw a square again. And then once you have your square, you're gonna draw a bunch of like random shapes like this. Whatever you want. In art, these are called organic shapes because you would find them in nature. Like they look like rocks or like the holes. They're not perfect. They're just very strange and organic. So we make a bunch of organic shapes. You can make them look like they're coming off the page as well. It kind of looks like cow. So once you have all your organic shapes, you're going to start at the top and you're going to make wiggly lines going down, and it will go through your little cow spots like it did right there. And your lines don't have to be perfect. Once you have them going down, you do the same thing going horizontal, so across. You're going to make a couple lines. So this one might take a little bit longer to color in, so you can do it all now or you can wait. But you're going to start at the top corner and you're going to color this shape in. And then you're going to work across as if you're going to do a checkerboard. So every other shape is going to be colored in. So I'm going to skip this shape and I'm going to color this one in here. And even the little shapes count. So I'm going to skip this little shape here and color this next one in. And then when you get to the next row, it's going to be like a checkerboard. So you're going to skip the first shape and go on to the second shape. This one can be kind of tricky because you have to think about which one you have to color in. But I like to do this one when you need like to concentrate on something because you really have to focus on which shape you're coloring in next. I'm sure some people find this kind of stuff frustrating or confusing. I find it really relaxing. I do it on sticky notes a lot, just making little designs. Here's mine. Mine's a little funky. I made this other one earlier. I made the circles a little more perfect. But you can do just about any shape inside. You can do squares. You can do whatever you want. And then when you make the crisscross, you can make them straight or wiggly. Do you guys want to share yours? Nice.
Mine is weird. I don't know how I feel about it.
I like it.
Cool.
Abby, do you want to share yours? Oh, very neat. So I have one more I can show you, or we can chat to finish. What do you think? I guess it's whatever. Abby, do you want one more? I can't hear you.
We can do one more if you want.
Okay. One more. This one's kind of simple. This one you can start with any shape. I find that squares are the easiest, so we'll start with a square, which is our theme of the day. And this one's pretty easy. You're going to start from the top and make a line all the way down. You're going to start a little bit up and start from where this line ends. So you're going to go across that way. You're going to do the same thing. So start a little bit in where that one ends and go up. Same thing on this side where both of them end. And then you're going to just keep going all the way around, going this way and connecting each line. If the lines get skinnier and closer together, the closer to the center you get, it kind of looks like it's moving inward and getting smaller, or like you're falling, like it's going down a hole. And you keep going until you can't do any more, you just color it in a little dot.
This is mine.
Ooh, that's cool.
Nice. You can do this one with having the lines, so this time it's straight, but you can have the lines go a little bit like a little bit diagonal like this. Like you start there, and you make them more like triangles, and it starts to look like it's spinning. And you can do this one with any shape. And if you want to be a super fancy artist, at the end of all your work, on the bottom right-hand side, you throw your initials. Sign it. Leave your mark. If you think these are fun or relaxing, there's a lot of them on like YouTube or online, and you can find out, they'll do step-by-step instructions on how to do more. That's all the ones we did today. Do you guys have any questions?